is you should either have 2 of the corners solved or 0 of the corners solved. If you have 2 of the corners solved, match it up with the color that the corners are. So as in my case, it's orange. So match it up with the orange side. It kind of looks like a chest plate for Minecraft. So yeah. So then you want to hold it towards the back. If you don't have any corners, so it kind of looks like this, except there are no corners. So you need to do this algorithm twice. So the algorithm is right prime, front, right prime, back 2 times, right, front prime, right prime, back 2 times, right 2 times. And then if it got you to this position, where you have one full size solved, you want to hold that towards the back. And by the way, guys, like I said, if you didn't get this, you just gotta do the algorithm again. But remember, match up the corners so it should look like this, or like this. Hold the the 2 corners that are oriented correctly to the back, and then do that again. But now you got this thing, and it's very easy to solve right now. So what you need to do is look on. So face the side that you completed on the back, unless you didn't complete a side you completed on the back, and then hold the for my instance it's the orange side. So I want to hold the red side facing me, and then do this algorithm. Right, up prime, right, up, right, up, right, up prime, right prime, up prime, right 2 times. And now you should successfully solve your cube. And now, if you have this instant, right here, where you don't have any sides complete, you do this. It's a very easy algorithm, by the way. If you don't have any sides, just go middle twice, up, 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 middle twice, middle. Whatever. So if you do that, you just do that, I gotta do this real quick. Show you how fast you can solve it if you use this. Started from scrambled, okay. Oh, I've already got the F2 out. Oh man, this is really easy. Right prime, right up, right up. Okay, so there you go. That's how fast you can solve it if you put your mind to it. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these series of videos. If you did, comment, rate, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. We have a vlog coming up next, so what do you know, Joe? Goodbye. Doodles.